Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI RS4 Mini and the DJI RS3 Mini. Both of these gimbals offer excellent stabilization in a compact form factor, making them ideal for content creators and filmmakers on the go. The RS4 Mini brings new intelligent tracking features, improved battery life, and premium build quality, while the RS3 Mini keeps things simple, lightweight, and budget-friendly. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two gimbals and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. When it comes to design and build quality, both gimbals are impressively lightweight and portable, but the RS4 Mini has a slight edge. Weighing just 890 grams, it's a bit heavier than the 795 grams RS3 Mini. But it also offers a more premium feel, borrowing high-end features from DJI's flagship models. The RS4 Mini has automatic axis locks that engage seamlessly when powering on, making setup faster and more convenient. On the other hand, the RS3 Mini relies on manual locks, which feel a little less refined. Both gimbals have a similar form factor and can fit into a camera bag with ease, making them ideal for run and gun shooting. But the RS4 Mini includes a fine-tuning knob for balancing adjustments, which adds another layer of precision that the RS3 Mini lacks. If you're looking for the most refined design with premium features, the RS4 Mini takes the lead in this category. In terms of features and usability, both gimbals offer a user-friendly experience. But the RS4 Mini introduces several upgrades that make it a more compelling option. Both models come with a 1.4-inch color touchscreen that provides quick access to settings. But the RS4 Mini improves responsiveness and adds more intuitive controls. One of the biggest differences is vertical shooting. The RS4 Mini makes the transition smoother, allowing you to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting without removing the camera. The RS3 Mini also supports vertical shooting but requires a bit more effort with its secondary plate. Additionally, the RS4 Mini supports the Intelligent Tracking module, enabling AI-powered face tracking. It's an absolute game-changer for solo content creators. The RS3 Mini lacks this feature entirely, making it less suitable for creators who need automated subject tracking. If you prioritize ease of use and smart features, the RS4 Mini is the clear winner. Performance and stabilization are where DJI gimbals shine, and both of these models deliver excellent results. But the RS4 Mini packs DJI's latest 4th-gen stabilization algorithm, the same one found in the high-end RS4 and RS4 Pro, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even when walking or tracking a subject. The RS3 Mini still offers solid stabilization, but its motors aren't quite as strong, making it slightly less capable in more demanding situations, such as high-speed tracking or shooting from moving vehicles. Speaking of which, the RS3 Mini struggles with wind resistance when mounted on a moving car at speeds over 60 kilometers per hour, while the RS4 Mini's improved motors handle such scenarios better. Additionally, the new responsive follow mode on the RS4 Mini reacts faster to hand movements, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. For those who need top-tier stabilization and better responsiveness, the RS4 Mini is the stronger performer. Battery life is another key factor to consider. The RS4 Mini boasts a larger 3,100 mAh battery, offering up to 13 hours of runtime, whereas the RS3 Mini lasts around 10 hours. In real-world usage, the RS4 Mini provides a slight but noticeable improvement, averaging around 6 to 7 hours of active shooting compared to the RS3 Mini's 5 to 6 hours. More importantly, the RS4 Mini charges faster, taking only 1.5 hours to reach full charge compared to the RS3 Mini's 2.5 hours charging time. Neither gimbal has a removable battery, but DJI has included power-saving features in both models, like auto sleep mode, to prevent unnecessary battery drain. If you need longer battery life and faster recharging, the RS4 Mini has the advantage. Now let's talk value for money. Both gimbals are priced at $369, making them equally accessible for most creators. But the RS4 Mini offers more advanced features at the same price, making it a better deal overall. The optional RS4 Mini Combo Kit, which includes the intelligent tracking module and the RS briefcase handle, costs around $459, but it provides added functionality that makes a big difference for solo shooters. The RS3 Mini is a great gimbal, but it lacks the advanced tracking features and premium build of the RS4 Mini. If you're looking for the best value in terms of features and long-term usability, the RS4 Mini wins here. As for my final verdict, if you need a lightweight, budget-friendly gimbal that gets the job done with solid stabilization and simple controls, the RS3 Mini is still a fantastic option. It's great for travel and casual filmmakers who don't need AI tracking or premium features. But if you want the latest technology, smoother operation, better tracking capabilities, and improved stabilization, the RS4 Mini is absolutely worth the investment. Either way, you can't go wrong with DJI's legendary quality. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.